So are you getting everything that you can out of AI? I've talked to an awful lot of people over the last several months. Oh, I'm using AI. I use it. They're using it for things like creating emails or content, or sometimes they're doing some amount of research or investigation. But honestly, they're just really just scratching the surface. If you really want to dig into AI, I suggest that you start the same place we do with all of our clients, and that's figure out all of the stuff that you need to do. What is all of the things that you need to do in your job, in your role? It'd be 7, 8, 9 different areas of responsibility, and then some number of deliverables for each of those. And then ask the AI, which of these things can I do? Use AI to do faster? And which of the things can I use AI to do them better? Because they're two different approaches to AI. But most importantly, there are 3 things that you have to do. You have to work on your work. If you take an AI course, make sure they're not going to have some make work projects. One of the things that we do is every week, your homework from our program is to work on your work. Then you have to decide how you're going to use your AI. You're going to use your AI as a task helper or a thinking partner. And then finally, make incremental progress every day. Use AI for something. It's a jagged frontier. Different things it will do better, things it will do not so well. You need to figure that out for yourself, for your own business, for your tasks. So work on your work, figure out how you're going to use AI, and do it every day. And that's how you get ROI out of AI. If you want to talk more, I'm happy to have a conversation. This is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds. The link is below. Thanks and have a grateful day.